know anything.
That's
because you haven't told us anything.
Okay.
At that moment, matter. Please, I'll be waiting for you to say, give us
Page
the
14.
facts.
Page 14. Let me just complete the facts.
On a lighter note, if I may mention, I was once faced with a bench and I said, my lords have decided the matter, I rest my case. I mean, हम आपको सुनने बैठे इधर, फिर हम फैसला कर लेंगे.
I can never say that about you.
No, कह दें चलो. आप कर लें आर्ग्यू, फिर हम सुन आपको ये सवालात पूछेंगे.
I think that's an unfair statement.
नहीं आपके लिए नहीं कह
And
रहे.
it's an unfair statement.
चले आगे, it's on a lighter note, चले आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Full court is sitting here. Every judge is entitled to ask whatever question he or she wants at whatever stage.
Absolutely correct, but I just want to hear your contentions.
In nothing should be implied that minds have been made up. That's not a fair statement, and I do not accept it.
चले फैसल साहब आप चलें, प्लीज आर्ग्यू कीजिए.
In defense of the Chief Justice, I think it was on the lighter note, sir.
Right, I'll repeat what I said and I'll say it with a smile.
Sir, आप भी lighter note पे ये कह दें.
फैसल साहब आप आर्ग्यू करेंगे केस या नहीं करेंगे?
Page 14.
चलिए.